How to fix your Targus docking station not detecting monitor HDMI. So first of all, make sure your HDMI wire isn't the one causing this problem for your Targus over here. Since most of the time the wire could just be the problem. So you can go ahead and check your wire. You can connect it to your TV, to your PC or something like that to check if the wire isn't a problem. So make sure and confirm that first. So in general, you can go ahead and check your physical connections first. So make sure the HDMI cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and the dock over here. It doesn't really matter for the PC since the dock is the one connecting to the PC. So you can try a different HDMI port on the monitor if available. And also confirm the dock's power adapter is connected. You should be able to see indicator lights on both the Targus dock over here or your monitor, so make sure both your devices are on. So some Targus docks won't output video properly without external power, so if possible, connect the monitor directly to your laptop or PC to make sure the monitor itself works. Next, you can go ahead and update or reinstall the required drivers if there is. And if your dock over here uses Display Link, you can download the latest Display Link manager from the official site and restart your computer after installing. You should also be able to check for graphic driver updates on your laptop. Once that's done, you could go ahead and try detecting your dock manually. So in your PC or main source, you can go ahead and open up the settings. So it's a little blurry, so first of all, in your settings, go to your system over here, right below the home section, and you should be able to see a display section. So go ahead and press on that. In your display, you'll be able to see more options over here. You're gonna have to focus on scale and layout and in multiple displays. You're gonna have to expand that to see the detect option. There's another one over here which is a connect option, but this is for wireless displays only. And since you're using a wired connection from your monitor to your Targus dock to your main source, you can go ahead and press on detect over here. So once it's detected, it should just automatically output its source to your monitor. So those are a few things you can check first if you're having this problem, and hopefully one of these options can work for you, and a few things you can keep in mind. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.